Hello kids! Today we are going to do coloring in this owl. Are you excited for it? So let us start. I'm doing dark brown color in the face of this owl. I'm coloring in the face, ears and its beak, or you can see a nose. Doing all over the face and ears, head. Doing it finely. No white space should be left, but we have to be careful that no brown color goes in the eyes. We will not do color in the eyes, as eyes are already blue and black in color, and we will remain a white part as it is. Now the face is about to complete. Now I will do any other shade in the wings of this owl. You can use any lighter shade just for a contrast. So I am using this light brown color and its wings. Now doing in the outer part of the wings, I'll do any other color there just to make it some beautiful or colorful. Oh, this lighter shade goes into the face, but in the end I'll correct it with a dark brown shade. Now for the outer part of the wings, I'll choose this pink color. Yes, we can do any color of our choice. I'm doing pink color just for a contrast or to make it beautiful. The same color I'll be using in other wing. Or we can also use this color in the tail of an owl. I'm using the same shade of pink here. And for the remaining body, I'll be using any other color. Okay, so let us do orange color here. It will look good with these colors. Our owl is going to be colorful. And in its claws, I'll be using brown shade, the darker one which I use in its face. Yes, and now we can do a touch-up of its face where I used light brown color by mistake. So I am doing a patch-up. Now it's almost done. For trees, I'll be using a green shade, a beautiful green shade. I'll be doing the same green color in all the trees. I think we should keep the stars and moon white. We should not use any other light blue or any color. This picture is already very colorful and very beautiful. Are you liking it? see, this is a beautiful, colorful owl flying in the sky among stars and the moon. I hope you like this video. Please give it a like and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.